Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpinutrek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Bane Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Kadwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907. Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, Kadai ke College Babhatam Nagapanta ke Jingpuli Nursing but Paramedical Course, Hospital Training, Pinyo Scholarship but 6% ka kam, Haki Hospital Bahedo India but Shabari. Nabanta ke Jingpuli ke Jingseo ka Paret but Hila Banle Yu ban Puli da ke Education Loan, Hila Ruban Shukol How number Kandai Nyo Sao Sao San Riu Pranot, Lani Kandai Pran Riu Laisan, Arn Riwe Kandai Pra.
Umentri rangba kajala konrad kongkel sangma hak nyo trik jemang arja apulai ulah pente bak sorkar kadang Phah ti bnya hakitanat sentiat manlap la kadai ni am kujing shisha bakaladan kujing Thmu jogi katu kani samla ne rilom garo man Pynkhie embiang ya sengking atiar Garo National Liberation Army Gnla hak jingkan biglat pathai Khubor umentri rangba ulong bak sorkar kala patha ya katanat pulit ban penlong ya kujing Tohkit kebabnya halor kani khrang ban penshisha Laga jingmi Khubor kalong Gnla ka bashisha.
Number one, of course, all the discussions that are taking place with the interlocutor. So whatever discussions are there, he will be in a better position to discuss. Of course, they have mentioned certain points that are there, and obviously, as a government, we will try to ensure that whatever steps can be taken to ensure that they are comfortable in terms of and feel safe from all angles and. And other issues which are concerned, we will try to take them up. But obviously, the conditions that are beyond, the state government's jurisdiction and certain discussions which have to be taken place with Government of India, those matters will have to be taken up at that level. And hence the talks are starting, and then we will see how it goes forward. And we're hopeful that we'll be able to come to a positive solution. Talking about the Gnla, as I mentioned, that we receive a lot of intel. And on a daily basis, and different reports come in based on different intel collected at different levels, and hence sometimes we have to do a cross check, double check, and we go into more details, we find out how much truth is there in that particular intel. So it's a process that goes on every day. So it's why and how this came out. We are obviously inquiring into the whole matter. But like that, as I said, there are multiple reports that come in, and government takes a lot of actions based on these multiple inputs that we give. But as I said, we don't talk about it because obviously these are some things which are internal to the police department. But that's how law and order is. And as I said, regarding this intel that is received, it's not that we are taking it very seriously or we are not taking it very seriously. Every intel is important for us. We look into every aspect. We cross-check every aspect before coming to any kind of final conclusion. So we are going into it. We are examining every aspect. No, there is no guarantee that. You're not understanding what my reply. I said that whether this intel is correct or not, even that has to be verified. So you have to understand that we receive 1,000 intels in a day. And and we need to verify whether these intels are actually correct or not. I don't want to go into the procedural aspect of things. First, we need to see whether it's happening or not. And yes, we are going to take it seriously, and we're not going to leave any intel out of the thing box. We're going to ensure that we go into every aspect. But only once we clarify that, then we will take necessary steps to decide. Not saying that we should ignore it. I'm not saying that it may not be true, but we need to verify every aspect before we jump to any conclusion. And more intel is required before we can give any kind of further statements on this.